Hi, and welcome to Always Eclectic Stacy. This is 5-Minute Chemistry, where you learn chemistry topics and see examples in 5 minutes or less, so you can learn chemistry 5 minutes at a time. This is our covalent bond series, where we're showing you how to take a covalent formula and convert it into a covalent name. This is the 4th example. Let's go. Don't forget to grab your pen or pencil. Hi, and welcome back to Always Eclectic Stacy. Today we're taking covalent formulas and converting them into covalent names. So if you are unsure of your Greek prefixes like mono, di, and tri, you could go ahead and reference that video. Otherwise, I'm going to show you the sentence diagramming way of doing this. As you get better at this, you can definitely start converting or combining some of the steps so it's an easier process. But this is the easiest way it is to completely break it down. So we're going to look at the first element, C. It's written one time, and it does not have a suffix like O does. So 1 in Greek prefix is mono. So we're going to write that under the C. O2, so the 2 goes with the O. 2 is di, so we're going to put the di with O2. Saying I have 2 of this element in word form instead of numeric form. Then for the first element, we're going to look at our periodic table and look up the symbol for C. The symbol for C is carbon, so we're going to write carbon right under mono so we know what element goes, which one, everything else. And then we're going to look up O, and O is oxygen, so we're going to go ahead and write oxygen under di. Now, for second element, there is a second stage of that, and that is remembering that you use your root. So if you're unsure of your roots, go ahead and look up those common non-metallic roots. I have a video on it, and refresh yourself. The root of oxygen is ox, O-X. So you're going to write that, O-X, and end it in I-D-E. It kind of says, hey, this is the final one. The first element never ends in IDE. And so we're going to go ahead and put it all together now, remembering that with the first element only, you don't have to write the word mono because you're already writing it one time. So you're going to take that out. So you're going to put everything together. So this is going to end up being carbon, di with your prefix, Greek prefix, oxide. And that is all one word. I'm just color coding so you can see where everything came from. So CO2 is carbon dioxide. Now, if you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out some of my other 5-minute chemistry videos. Have a great day, everybody.